Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, I'm Tammy, welcome. Now today's video is a glam DIY. Now if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned. But please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notifications. Alright, Glamettes, let's get this DIY project started. Now this DIY, we're using two of these, and these were actually a wine glass. I broke one, so I'm going to use the other for DIY. These two Dollar Tree stemless wine glasses, this Dollar Tree gems. This is a tea light holder and my Dollar General Miracle spray paint. We're going to paint all of these pieces and we're coming right back. Now if you're watching, please do make sure you subscribe. And this portion of the video is sponsored by Avhirt. Avhirt is a online retailer and they sell through Amazon. And they sent me this cordless hot glue gun, you guys. Packaging looks like this, and this is what that box looks like with Avhirt. Now this is a 3.7 volt and 15 watt cordless hot glue gun. Now you guys too, we're going to just open up the package and I'm going to let you see what all came inside of this box. Now we do have that USB cord, you guys, also the user manual and the instruction, you guys. It also came with about 25 glue sticks and the glue gun itself. Now I'm going to power this glue gun up as you watch me do that, but let me give you some of the good features about this cordless glue gun. It has a nozzle protector, and the nozzle and the trigger of the gun, and it's anti-drip. It also has a status indicator, I'm sorry you guys. And the USB cord is actually a Type-C charging interface, you guys. This glue gun is very lightweight, and it actually is designed for you to not have to deal with the no-one cord. If you are a crafter like myself, you guys, you know we are always on the hunt for the best glue gun possible. And this also comes with, you see this glue gun has a built-in battery stand, which is great stability for this gun. It also has a 5-minute auto shut off. So if you're not using it for 5 minutes, it turns itself off, you guys. It has a unique trigger handle with a ergonomic design, and it has multiple safe and anti-scalding designs as well. You do have to let the glue gun charge for 1 hour, and when you plug it in, you guys, it actually blinks red. Then once it's fully charged, you guys, it stops blinking red and it just highlights red. Then your gun is actually ready to use. Now after it turns solid red, you unplug it, you guys, and that button, you push that power button and you just hold it for 3 seconds to activate it, and it will preheat itself. Once the glue gun initializes itself, you see I have that green light. We're going to finish this DIY, you guys. But after it charges itself up, you guys, you hold that power button for 3 seconds and your light will blink green. Then once it turns solid green, as you see here, it's actually ready to use. Please make sure you check out Avhirt's information down in my description box. Alright, now let's finish this DIY. Now you can see I'm adding on that Dollar Tree gem, and I'm adding it to the stemless wine glass and also this other glass as well. And I'm just going to trim the bottom of this out, and we're going to glue this piece together. And once again, this is a very simple and easy DIY to recreate. I do want to thank each and every one of you. Thank you guys for continuing to show the channel love and support. I'm still not back 100%, but we're going to be trying to get all of these videos out, or if not, we're going to just be doing a dumping to clear out everything that we do have, so we can start with some amazing DIYs that we do got lined up for you guys. So you guys, I do thank you so very much for continuing to show the channel love and support. Also, please make sure you share the channel with your friends and family. We're on that road, you guys, to that 30K, and I do appreciate all of y'all loyal love and support. All right, now we have this DIY almost complete. Make sure you do check out Avhirt. Their information is in the description, along with my other information as well. Always check my description box. It is always useful information down in that description. Now, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive, so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.